Don't know where to start with your search for sources? Need a refresher on how to use the Miller website to find the information that you need? In this edition of the Miller Manual, we'll teach you the basics of using Summon, the main search engine of Miller Library. Summon is a powerful search tool that connects you to all of the resources of Miller Library. To use Summon, simply click into the search box at the top left corner of the Miller Library website, type in the word or phrase that you want to search. In this case, we'll use global warming, and then hit enter or click search. As the search results appear, you'll notice a few key features that will help you narrow down your search and find the specific information that you're looking for. To the right, you'll see an introduction to your search topic or phrase from an electronic reference source with a link to the resource at the bottom of the box. Below the reference box, Summon provides a list of related topics that can give you some ideas for how to define your topic more clearly. To the left of your search results, you'll find a list of filters that can help you sift through your results and focus on what is most closely related to your topic and search. Summon gives you the ability to limit a search to sources available online, scholarly and peer-reviewed sources, and resources available in the library catalog. You can also limit your search by discipline, content type, publication date, subject terms, and language. Simply click one of the listed filters or select More to view a full list of filtering options. Once you click on a filter, Summon will automatically adjust your results to match your filtering choices. You can sort your results by relevance, which is the default, newest, or most recently published, or oldest. If you would like to expand your search to include sources that Miller Library does not have, you can click the box next to Add Results Beyond Your Library's Collection to get connected to resources in libraries throughout Michigan and across the country. To view an item, simply click on the title and a separate window will open to the location of the source. If it is available to be read and downloaded online, you will see a link to the full text online where you can go directly to the source. If you would like to cite a particular source, you can click on the quotation marks to the right of the result and select the appropriate citation format to view the citation. From there, you can copy and paste it into your paper. The mail icon enables you to send an email to yourself or someone else with the source link included. You can also save sources into a folder as you are doing research so that you can export, email, or print them from one place when you are finished. However, you must keep in mind that this is a temporary folder, so all saved sources will be deleted once you leave the site. You can perform an advanced search by clicking on the link to the right of the search box. Here you can combine words and phrases and choose various search criteria for a more complex search. Finally, Summon will often provide recommendations for relevant databases related to your search just above your search results. You can click on a database link and go directly to a recommended database for more focused searching. This is helpful as you begin to narrow down the scope of your research. If you have questions or need help at any time during your search in Summon, you can chat with a Miller librarian by clicking the chat button when the button says Live Chat. This will give you an instant line to an expert who can help you with your research. For questions or more info on Summon, feel free to contact any one of the Miller librarians. Thanks for watching this latest edition of the Miller Manual.